In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Blogger theme. Whether you want to give your blog a fresh look or just make a few tweaks to match your personal style or brand, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step. To begin, you'll need to sign in to your Blogger account. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your blogs. Go ahead and select the one you want to customize. This brings you to the dashboard for that specific blog. Now on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll notice a menu with various options. Click on the one labeled Theme. Here you'll find a preview of your current theme alongside several customization options. It's an essential hub for all your designing needs. Once you're in the theme section, it's time to dive into the customization. Click on Customize, which is prominently displayed. This action opens up the Blogger Theme Designer. It's a powerful tool that allows you to change the look and feel of your blog with ease and, importantly, without any programming skills. Now let's explore one of the most noticeable aspects of any design, the colors. Changing the color scheme is a great way to make your blog stand out or align with your brand identity. To start, click on the Advanced option. This allows you to adjust the colors of various design elements on your blog. Here's how you do it. First, decide which element you'd like to change. You have a range of options, such as the background, header, text, links, sidebar, and footer. Each component can add a unique flair to your blog depending on how you style it. Once you've selected the element you wish to modify, you can then choose your preferred colors. Take your time to pick shades that resonate with your overall blog theme or personality. Don't hesitate to play around with different combinations until you find one that suits your vision. The handy thing about the Blogger Theme Designer is that it provides a real-time preview, so you can see how each change affects the overall look of your blog. This live preview is crucial because it ensures that all your adjustments blend well together before finalizing them. And when you're satisfied with your selections and how the new colors look, it's time to make it official. Simply click on Apply to Blog, and voila, your changes will be implemented instantly. And that wraps up our tutorial on customizing your Blogger theme. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel more confident in creating a blog design that reflects your unique style. Keep experimenting and refining your blog's look to keep it fresh and engaging for your readers. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.